My name is Aikili Shumata with Double Grace. I'm the CEO of Shumavarian TV, and an upcoming filmmaker, filmmaker, producer, and an independent filmmaker. And today, I just want to have a chat with everybody here, all my subscribers. You guys are great. Thank you for always coming here to subscribe to this YouTube channel and to always come here to watch our videos. And seeing you watching our videos is a great thing, and it's a thing of joy. Like when you turn up and watch our videos here, it gives us that great joy. And today I'm going to be talking about challenges of upcoming filmmaker we face. And when you are trying to fund your project yourself, and sometimes you have your few friends who are there to support you to make your project here. Sometimes it's not always easy, and trying to get those funds to produce your movie, it's a big challenge. Right now for me, I would have been producing, but because of some little challenges I have about finance, I'm kind of on a pause now. And to me, I believe sometimes I should be posting videos at least 3 times a month or twice a month, and that is what I love to do. But because of financial issue, I cannot do it the way I want to do it. I produce a short film. Yeah, I call it a short film, at 1 and 2, and for like 2 months now, I've not been able to produce any movie. Why? Because of me, because of finance. Yeah, because sometimes for you to get somebody to believe in your dreams, fund your movie, or to get somebody who can partner with you to make you produce good movie, it's a challenge. And in a part of the world where I am, a lot of people don't believe in what some of us do when it comes to production. And my last production I did, and which I'm looking forward to do another one, and mostly some of my friends and family on TikTok who supported me, like young people like me, they give me money to produce, at least to support me. And different people support my project and during that time. And no matter how big or no matter how small it is, I think the money pushed me to an extent to be able to produce something. But sometimes I have about 2 scripts that I want to shoot right now. What is the challenge? I don't have support. That's a big challenge that I'm facing now to produce the way I want to produce. I don't have support. And sometimes you just need to come out and talk about it. And when you look around the internet, trying to get the right people who can who can co-produce with you, who can support you so they can produce, it's a great challenge for you to get that. I try search on the internet, look everywhere left and right. It's a great challenge. But whatever it is, we keep trying, we keep pushing, and we're not going to stop. All right. That's why sometimes when you do videos like this and you feel like, okay, it's not going to give you a support, give you a super chat, it will go a long way, to help us produce more movie. My passion for now is hello, Abba. Abba, welcome. Well, my challenge for now, my passion for now is to tell African story. That is what I want to do. I'm serious about it. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do, to tell African story. No more, no man, no man's no, no man's war, no man's war. How are you? How you doing? Where are you streaming from? So what I want to do now, I want to tell African story, and yeah, I have the gadget, I have the camera, I have my sound at least. There's something I can produce. I have the camera, I have sound, I have light, and my challenge is what? Finance, because getting people to believe in your dream or what you do, what you stand for, is not always easy. And sometimes it's when you make it, you become a big time film producer. When that's when people rush and they come to you trying to um, be with you. But when you are starting, it's not always easy like us, like me as I'm starting. It's not always easy with me producing films. It's not always easy because trying to get support, it's not easy, man. It's not easy. But I will not stop. All right, I will not stop. I'll just keep trying my best, trying to produce at least the little I have. I'll try to produce with what I have. If I have plenty, I'll produce. Well, for now. And some people say, "Oh, I started producing and then I stopped." So if you want to know why I stopped, that is my challenge. No, did I stop? No, I've not stopped. It's just a pause. I just take a pause so that I'll gather myself and then go back to the location again and then produce more movies because I have a lot of projects I want to do. And if you're watching me and you feel like you want to do a collaboration with me and even sponsor my movie project, that would be nice. I'll be grateful. Hmm? If you want to be part of my one of my sponsorship, I'll be grateful. I'll be grateful. And I don't know who is watching this video. I don't know who this video is going to reach. I don't know who is coming across this video. But if you come across this video and if you see something interesting that you can put your head inside, then it would be nice if you can just come and support the project. And I wanted to do a video, do a shoot about a story about Roman Catholic. Yeah, it's a nice story which I wanted to do, which I'm going to do. But because of a financial challenge, I could not. I'm holding on for now. And once I have something in my pocket, I'll just go to the location and then start my project and bring it to you. Sorry for my background. Somebody is hitting something somewhere close to where I'm staying. Not in my house. I've lodged somewhere in a hotel, so that's why you see a lot of noise everywhere. So that is that. It's good. I want to let you guys know what the challenge is. And another thing that happens to me when I was producing last week, no, last 2 months, or yeah, last 2 months, I had some issue with my health. You see, when I'm talking, this other eye, yeah, had issue, and my mouth. So I'm just trying to recover from what happened to me. What do you call this thing? That is, yeah, facial, facial something palsy. You know, that's what happened to me. All right, guys, let me know where you're watching me from, and if you're watching this video and you feel that this video is interesting to you, you can swear share this video, like, and then let me see if I can put something in the background for you guys to see. All right, so this is what I was doing yesterday, and you see that this was just an advert I was doing for somebody yesterday, and then it's just an advert. It's not something serious. Yeah, these are an advert. So let me show you myself. You know that I was there. You see, that's me trying to direct me and my DOP. So at least I can say I have something to start something. right? But sometimes the challenge we have is the financial aspect when you want to produce and then looking for who to support you to produce your movie. It's always a challenge for us to do that. And sometimes we seek for support and people who are ready and Ajalo welcome Alasiri Loyi. Mm. Oh, you know a producer, okay? Yeah. So if sometimes we look for a support, somebody who can support us to produce and at least give us some financial challenge and support so we can produce. And let me see if I can go through the pictures, the one I did for my other project. Let me see if I can go through that. So support is always the problem that we always find because not everybody is ready to come out and then and support you, give you what you need. But we keep hoping and trusting God for um, a breakthrough, like an open door, because in this industry, when you don't know anybody who can support you, you suffer a lot. You suffer a lot. But when you have people who can support you, at least your suffer reduce. You see, Emmanuel Chi Emmanuel Okechukwu. Emmanuel Okechukwu, how are you? Yeah, my movies are they're here on YouTube. I just have like 3 movies here on YouTube. I was just caught in short film. I have 3 of them here on YouTube, and I'm still hoping to produce more. Like, but I just have to say it because of financial challenge, and then what we look for to produce a movie. Like me, I'm from Benue State, Nigeria, and I like telling local African story. You know, and it's always good for you to tell your story. You can tell your story better. Nobody can tell your story better than you do. But for me, that is what I want, and that is what I'm doing. Telling my story, my people's story, my culture. Yeah, that's what I love doing. Okay, my last movie. What cost me? It was just a short film, so it was around. It was 500K. Yeah, the cost was 500K. Yeah, the title is there. You can check Empty Grave and then Final Say. Yeah, it cost me 500K. And this this one I want to produce about Catholic Church. That one is going to cost me a lot. Yeah, that's what it. That was the cost. Yeah. And another thing now, when you want to distribute your films, yeah, that's another challenge that we have here in Nigeria. No, those other ones, yeah, the final sale was 500. Anti-grave 500. The other one was around 300. And when things were cheap, how much did you make of it? No, no, no. I've not make anything. And for now, I just have this video here on YouTube, and I'm just trying to find a way I can distribute my movie. That's what I'm looking for now. Where to distribute those movies? That's what I'm looking for. And uh, All right. Thank you. Thank you. So another thing, distribution is another challenge that we have. And most of sometimes in Nigeria, sometimes it's always people feel that you must have those great actors who can, maybe the one that I've known, like popular one. Yeah, people feel like you must have those popular ones. Hello, um, Felicia, how you doing? How you doing, Felicia? Good morning to you. Welcome to my live stream. I'm happy to have you here. You're welcome. So sometimes people feel if you don't feature new faces like popular faces, and for us upcoming filmmaker, it's always a great challenge. You're okay. Uh, it's always a great challenge for us to not to produce, but we feel that yeah, we must bring popular actors. But me, I don't have that money to bring all those popular actors in my movie. So all my actors I use, they're not popular. Like popular in Nigeria or popular in Africa. But most of them, Felicity, you're welcome. Thank you for joining. Where are you watching me from? Guys, let me know where you're watching this video from. Most of them are popular in my state, and they are good. They're good. And for me, what I believe, that's my own belief. I'm not talking about anybody's belief, but for me, what I believe when you raise people, and those people that are always willing to do what they're asked to do. And look at those people I have on the screen here. They are great actors, great actors. If you watch these movies, you see, wow, wow, you know. So what I've combined the two movies into one movie, Empty Grave and Final Say. So I've given it a name, Empty Grave. But that one, I'm holding that one for distribution. Anything I want to distribute my projects, however I can distribute, yeah, I can give them that one. So on YouTube here, those videos are in different parts, like part one and part two. That's what I have here. So as upcoming filmmaker, producer, independent filmmaker, is not always easy. Like I always said, when I produced my Empty Grave, let me say 50% of my support they came from TikTok. Apart from what I have on my own, my TikTok friends, family, they supported me to do this project. So if you are there and you want to support my project, if you know that okay, what this guy is doing is what you love and you have the capacity to support, that would be nice for you to support. And I'm from River State, all right. How you doing? How is River State to do today? I used to go to River State, yeah, in those days. So if you feel like you want to support my project, you can support. Yeah. Because right now I should be shooting movies, but it's crazy because there's no money. There's no money. And getting somebody who believe in your dreams and believe in what you do and then try to support you, it's not easy. And this video I'm doing here today is going to be here forever. And one day I will make reference of this video that I'm doing. And maybe this video is the video that will change my film production life. I don't know, but I'm just saying. Yeah, I have a good camera. My camera is good. I have a R5, Canon R5. Although I don't have all the lenses, but I have the 24 to 105. That's the lens I use in shooting my movie. I have my UNZ microphone, AM18. Yes, M18. That's the microphone I use, and this is very, very good. It's serving me, at least for a starter like me. The microphone is serving me. I don't have any issue with it. And to me, my sound is great. And in that integrate, there's some little thing that we fixed in the whole movie, because there were some places where we were rushing to meet up with a date line that wanted to upload the movie. So the editor was rushing. So there are some parts that we had some issues, but we have fixed that in the long movie, which is that should be like an hour plus. Yeah, the empty grave. But that one is for just for distribution. Guys, if you're watching this video, you can still share, like, comment. Let's know where you're watching us from. And you can even send a super chat, super thanks if you have the capacity to send a super chat to me. I'll be grateful. All right. I'm just a I'm just an upcoming filmmaker, an independent filmmaker who is here to even cries out, to even say if you have somebody who can support my movie project, I'll be grateful. And someone who is passionate about telling African stories. Yeah, that's what I'm passionate of. So if you're here, you feel like you want to support this project. If you don't have, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So the next one I'm doing is confession. Yeah, the working title is confession. So maybe when we start the project, we can decide to change the working title, or we can still use the confession title, and it's going to be like more like a Catholic story, but it's going to be more like in a village settings. That is where we're going to do that production, and I'll be updating you when we start. All right. Maybe I'll be posting some short videos, like some short clips, like some behind the scenes videos to you, so that you can see, and then you know that okay, this is what those guys are doing. Yeah. What do you think? And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. You can take our membership, and our membership is very cheap. It's just there. I think some part is not up to $1, but just take our membership and support this channel in any way you can do to support this channel. Let's support this channel. Let's like, share to get more views. Yeah, sometimes I like when people are watching me and then I'm communicating with them. It gives me joy. All right. So if you're watching me here, let me know. Let me hear what you have to say. Say something, then I will I will reply you. Let me know where you're watching me from, guys. Please, where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Let me know. Just tell me. You're watching me from your house. Let me know. Let me know where you're watching me from. But you're watching this video from. Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Talk to me. Let me say hi to you. Say hi to me. Oh, I just want to see how this my sound is coming out. Doesn't see how this my sound is coming out. Doesn't see how this my sound is coming out. Doesn't see how this my sound is coming out. Doesn't see how this my... Okay. This sound is great. So that's that. And then um when I produce um final say, it was, I love the story, and the story is just good. And you can just check on my page, on my YouTube channel. You can see the final say that I produced. It was a lovely, lovely, good story which I produced, and then people were like, "Wow!" And the video is about 2 months ago. Yeah, I think 2 months ago, and I think we have about 12,000 views. Yes, that's the views that we have. The other one is it's a month plus. I've been 1 month ago. It's about 6,000 something views, still counting, and I'm grateful for that. For all of you to come watch my movies on YouTube here. I'm grateful and I'm happy and I celebrate all of you. And if you're here, please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Click the notification bell anytime we're live or we upload our videos, you'll be the first to watch. And then the membership is there. If you want to become the member of this great Shumaverian TV, yes, you can take the membership. And if you want to support this channel, still you can still go ahead and support this channel. So I just show you this picture to know that yeah, this is what I do on this channel. It's a process. Yeah, I'm just growing. It's a process, but I'm hoping to get better as time goes on. Because upcoming filmmaker, independent filmmaker, is not easy. You know, try to gather your money, produce a movie. You spend a lot. I tell you what, you spend a lot gathering money and producing. It's not easy. And sometimes there are people, some people know people who can support people to produce film, like people who support upcoming film producers like me. I know a lot of people know people like that, but some of us, we don't have the link, we don't have the channel to get those people. But if you are there and you know that you have those links, you can still just help me out to get the link too so that I can improve and then get support to produce more movies. And if you know where someone can get support to produce more movies, yes, tell me, I will apply. Because for me, I want to tell African story. YouTube, listen to me and watch. I'm saying this. I'm not commanding you, but promote my videos. Push my videos up there for people to see. I have great content. You can check them out if you're watching this video. Just go ahead and check those videos out. Because, you know, like me, I'm a photographer and I do videos. And then when I get money from my photography, sometimes I bring the money here to put on my production. That's what I do. And it's not always that easy, you know. So guys, please, if you are here, you're watching me, say something, let me know that somebody's watching me. But if you're not watching me, it's okay. But just say something. Say hi. Your comment too is very important. When you comment on our videos, it makes us feel good, feel better to know that okay, we have videos where people are watching. So guys, please comment, 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 comment. If you want to comment, comment, share this video, like, and then go to that super chat and then say super chat, super thanks, take membership, you know, so many things that you can do. If you have, all right, super sticker, you can just get a sticker there and then just send it to me. Boom. You know, we have stickers with good prices. Yeah, you can send a sticker and just get a good sticker there and send it to me. I'll be grateful. What do you think? All right. So yeah, super sticker there and super chat there. There are a lot of them what you can do to support this channel. And then super chat is there. And take your super chat as low as 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, you know. Just do it. And you know, funny enough, since I started this channel, I've never gotten any super chat or super sticker from anybody. That's the funny thing. Somebody has never given me super chat or super thanks. Well, but I'm hopeful that I will get it someday. Yeah, I will get it. I'll get it. So, guys, welcome to my world. As you're here, please don't stop watching my video. Please don't stop supporting this channel. Please don't stop liking my videos. Please don't stop sharing these videos. And I'm happy that you came out to watch this video, and then the way you support with your likes and comments. I'm grateful to Felicia. Sorry, I'm grateful to Felicia. I'm grateful to Emmanuel Okechuku, um, who came to say about this producer. Asked me how much I produce. What's about the other ones? Blah blah blah. He says a lot of things. We had a conversation. How much did it cost to shoot your last movie? I told him 500K, and it was just a short movie, so 500K. And he said a producer. You know. So it's National Geographic Monkey City. Yeah, some of you see what I comments now. You people should say something in the comment section. Say something. Let's have a conversation. Yeah, ask me questions. Let's just, let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Who is saying what? Nobody is talking. Let's talk, guys. Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. Who is saying something? Oh my God. It's crazy. Let's chat, guys. I think I'll be streaming here more often. I used to stream on YouTube, but I later stopped. But I think I'll resume my streaming here back on YouTube, so that I will keep you guys be giving you the great updates, so that you can understand what I do here. What do you think? Let me see in the comment section, guys. Let's hear what you want to say. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I was watching. Let me know where you're watching me from, guys. Where you watching me from? Where you watching me from? Let me know. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and then I will see you in the next one. I'm still gonna come back here later, maybe later in the evening, to talk to us more again. I really appreciate everybody that comes to watch this video, for your likes, for your comments. I really appreciate everybody that came to watch this video. And if you are just joining us, in case you can as well subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then like and comment and watch our videos down the line. And we have a lot of green good videos. Like today, I just talk about my film project, and then soliciting for support around the world, anybody that come across it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. One love. Peace out.